Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 3764 Meadowview on gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
This is a rare classic cottage with a spectacular 50 feet of level lakefront. So let's take a tour.
This is open waterfront living. This charming cottage features an open great room with an expansive living and dining area with beautiful natural woodwork, a dry bar great for entertaining, and an adjacent galley kitchen. The first floor also features a mudroom, full bathroom, and a master bedroom with lake views, while the upstairs features 4 additional bedrooms with cathedral ceilings and those beautiful lake views. Every classic cottage is known for its expansive front porch and breathtaking views.
This one-of-a-kind waterfront property features a deck, dock, and a stone and concrete break wall with 50 feet of beautiful lakefront. The views to the south, west, and north are just amazing. Enjoy spectacular sunsets too. There's even land across the private road for a parking area or potential garage. Meadowview is a very private waterfront neighborhood, a slice of heaven on the east side of Canandaigua Lake. Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain. What a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 3764 Meadowview on gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!